Today we're setting up a cool new security system. It has solar panels to keep the cameras charged. They have auto human tracking, pet detection, and you can even control it yourself in-app. And this security system from aosu comes shipped to your door, ready to secure your area as well. Inside the box, you have a user manual, 2 USB-C charging cables, a power cable for the home base, 2 mounting plates, a security camera with adjustable antennas for good coverage, a solar panel on top, and then on the back, there's a mounting hole, as well as a waterproof flap protecting your charge port. Then it comes with a second one, as well as a home base. On the back, you have the sync button, port for the power cable, Ethernet, and micro SD card, which supports up to 1 terabyte by the way. And then there's an Ethernet cable, as well as some safety stickers. Setup takes little time. Pop open the waterproof tab on top of the camera, and then press and hold the power button until you hear the beep and hello prompt.
Hello.
Then open your app, click Add Device, and scan the QR code on the back of the camera. Then hold the QR code on your phone up to the lens to pair it to the app. Repeat these steps for the second camera, as well as the home base, and then you're ready to mount them. Screw down the mounting plates, and the camera easily slides on. Make sure it snaps into place, and you're good to go. And as you can see, it's already tracking my movement. I didn't need to change any settings or enable anything. It comes ready to follow the action, right out of the box. But if you go into the app, you get a little control pad where you can adjust the angle. It can rotate a full 360 degrees too. Pretty cool. Then of course you can record, take a picture, turn on the microphone and talk, disguise your voice, turn on a flashlight, or even sound an alarm. Then you can go into the settings of the camera and adjust AI settings or normal detection settings. You can adjust your night vision settings from color, black and white, or no infrared. And you can also adjust your default view, so each time you open the camera, it's at that spot. And it's pretty useful too, especially since it auto tracks and moves from your last position. And of course, the security cameras are waterproof, giving you coverage no matter the weather. It records events to the home base, and you can go into the app and review what's happened throughout the day. Then the multicam view is pretty cool too. It can support up to 6 cameras. So when I go into the multicam view, I have full coverage of the yard. And in my case, I can keep an eye on the dogs, as well as the chickens easily. We had a young possum break into the coop recently, so having this much coverage has given me some peace of mind. So if you're looking for some peace of mind too, with full 360 degree coverage of your area, these cameras from aosu might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go keep an eye on my chickens from the comfort of my desk. See ya.